How to invite friends on Facebook Lite. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to invite friends on your Facebook Lite, what you're simply gonna do is first of all, launch the Facebook Lite application on your device. After you do that, in the top right corner of your screen you can see a 3-bar option. Click on it. Then it will take you to this page where you can see all the menus. Now over here, just below the option switch account, you can see the option which says invite friends. Click on it. Then this will pop up on your screen. From over here, you can either copy your link and send it to other people by pasting it on other platforms, or you can also share it to them on their WhatsApp, or you can just click on more and simply share it to other apps which are given over here like Instagram, Snapchat, etc. So this is how you can invite friends on your Facebook Lite. So thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope you found this video very informational and helpful, and see you in the next video.